Radhe Radhe, and a very warm welcome to each one of you. When passion meets purpose, magic happens. And tonight, we are all here because of that magic. Let's welcome my mentor, my coach, the melody behind Bollywood Bandish, Kamakshi.
Thank you so much, Srinidhi. Thank you so much, all of you, for coming. Okay, as usual, nervous हूँ, excited भी हूँ, but there is something that I wanna say and begin the event. You know, when you're surrounded by truly amazing people, you can't help but feel incredibly puzzled that what have you done to get so much love? Am I even worth it? I have these questions popping up every time I think of an event. Even this event after Kishore Kumar, I had a lot of questions in my mind. Should I do it? Is it worth it? Why? You know, all those questions. But in that nervousness, in that anxiety, there is some deep, unshakable faith that everything will be okay. Everything will fall into place. Sab theek hoga. And the way, you know, when I started this event, so many of you reached out. There were a few who reached out saying, Kamakshi, kuch bhi chahiye, let us know, we're there. Tickets, when we started the early bird, it flooded. That actually showed that, theek hai, I'm doing something right. Kuch to sahi kar rahi hu. Right? Well, in those moments, it is so clear to me that you guys are not just people. You guys are actually those angels which my Radharani has sent. Because without her, I am nothing, and all the love, all the support that I'm getting is somewhere, you know, she's the one who's driving you all to me. In every possible way. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. That one like on my Facebook post, that one wonderful, that one, hey Kamakshi, you made my day. You have no idea how I feel when I read that. So thank you so much for that one like, for that one comment that you put. It really means a lot. My throat is getting dry. And it's that love that pushes me to the stage today. And I do things that I never imagined I could do. I'm new here, and to do this, it cannot happen without all of you. It cannot happen with so many people behind me taking care of things, telling me, okay, hum dekh lenge, we don't worry. You know, so, dil se, thank you everybody. Huge round of applause for all of you, for being with me always, for doing this to me. Thank you, it really means a lot. And believe me, when I pray, you all are there in my prayers, always. And I'm not just saying it just to say this, I really do. But tonight I promise you that I give you my heart. You'll see that, of course. And these 2 hours, you won't just watch, you will feel it and carry with you long after the curtains close. This is not just my show. Bollywood Bandish is not just my show. This is our show, guys. This is your show. So thank you for coming here. Thank you for making it so special for all of us. It really means a lot. Over to you, Srinidhi.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not just another musical evening. It's an experience, a journey, a celebration which lives within all of us. Music. And tonight, we will explore that all with charm, curiosity, and the enigma behind the world of classical music. So sit back, relax, and let us take you through this journey where tradition meets Bollywood and Rag meets full-on sweat.